Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Discord server ownership. So first of all, it's important to note that to transfer the ownership, you do need to be the current owner of the server. So go to the server you want to do this for, and then go to the top left, and then go and click on the name of the server, and you will get a list of options, and you need to click on server settings just here. Head over to the left and scroll down until you see the section called user management and click on it members. So you can then see the members of the server, and you need to decide on who you want to go and give ownership to. And just remember, when you give somebody ownership, they are going to have a lot of more power. They are going to have permissions higher than you. They will be able to do things like delete the server and things like that. To just make sure you are aware of that, they will be able to do. But if you are sure, head over to the right, and then you need to go and click on these three dots which says more option. Just make sure you've got the right person selected and hit click on transfer ownership. It will then say this will transfer the ownership of your server to this user. You need to acknowledge by transferring the ownership to the server that it will officially belong to them. That's fine with me. I'll click on transfer ownership, and you then need to go and enter the verification code which you sent. You have to check your email and then put your verification code here. Once you enter the verification code, click on transfer ownership, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.